Recording in progress.
The automated ledger scrutiny feature in AssureAI allows an auditor to quickly assess the risky nature of the ledgers and transactions in the client's books of accounts and focus its attention where it is most needed. When you enter this screen for the first time, the system will prompt you to enter the materiality threshold both for balance and transaction amounts, balance sheet profit and loss, and also the expense variance threshold. Once these are entered and initiate ledger scrutiny is clicked, the system will run the ledger scrutiny rules, which will take a minute or two, and then present the user with the report like this. There are multiple tabs, as you can see: ledger risk overview, voucher risk overview, other exceptions, expense variance, search, and graphs. Ledger risk overview. Here, the system gives you the risky nature of the ledgers as high, medium, or low. The high-risk ledgers are identified based on the rules that are configured. The rules which are triggered, which means they have identified risky items in this client's data, they are listed here. The rules which have been run, but they did not find items falling under this risky nature, they are called not triggered and they are listed over here. So for the rules that are triggered, you can click on a rule to see the list of ledgers that fall under this risk. As you can see, the ledgers are listed over here. So you can right click on this ledger and view the ledger view to further understand how critical it is. You can also select multiple ledgers and raise issue. The issue can be raised either to assign to someone from within your team, or it can be also assigned to a client. The assignee can respond to the issues by entering comments at a line item level or at an overall level. If you feel that the system has brought out an outlier which is not really risky in nature, you can click on this and exclude, and the system will, even if you rerun a ledger scrutiny, it will never flag it as a risky item for this rule. The same way, medium risk ledgers can also be viewed by clicking on each rule. Moving to voucher risk overview, here the items analyzed are transactions and not the ledgers as seen before. So here under high risk, majority of the rules are about cash transactions, as you can see. By clicking on a rule, you get to see all the transactions that fall under the risky category. Here again, the same way you can raise issue or exclude. Expense variance requires at least 2 years of data, and it requires you to enter a threshold. Once both these conditions are satisfied, the system analyzes the expense heads, computes the expense to turnover ratio, and flags those items where there has been a significant increase or decrease in the expense from previous year to current year. As you can see, the threshold set is 25%. Cost of material consumed has gone up from 0.26% to 0.89%, which is a 242% increase. So such items are flagged over here. Expense variance can also be viewed at a ledger level by switching to ledger view. Here, the system will list the exact ledger names, wherein in the subhead view, the system will group the ledgers and show where there has been an increase or drop at an overall group, the subhead level. There is a simple search feature, free text as well as advanced search. Free text search will search for a specific pattern, both in the ledger names as well as in the voucher narration. Advanced search allows you to combine multiple criteria. Like this. Graphs are nothing but a visual representation of the risky nature of the client, risk breakdown by ledger, count and amount, risk breakdown by transaction, count and amount. Ledger scrutiny can be exported to Excel for offline saving and sharing with client. Thanks for watching.